Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your profile logo or your club logo in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this video is made for new player or for new beginner. New into the game, beginner only. You can change your logo of your club or your account. So let's tap my account first. This is the logo. You can change your account or your profile logo based on theme that you choose as your crest or your badge, like this. I'm using Ajax, and my profile logo is following like Ajax badge on my account or on my profile. You can change it. Let's tap the club, tap the locker room, and tap this user logo. So currently I'm using Ajax, but I can change the logo without change the theme. Like this, for example, I'm using AMT logo. Tap to confirm. Let's get back. The theme not changing, or the crest is not changing, still Ajax. But let's get back to the main page. But my profile logo or user logo is changed to the AMT, not the Ajax badge anymore. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.